Or mahina, weak, you're too weak. Ang hina-hina mo. Or shallow or mababaw lamang. Shallow. Money, pera. At meron pang ibang mga common words na ating ginagamit araw-araw. Halimbawa, ako or I, ako. You, ikaw. Slow or bagal. Where will you go? Saan ka pupunta? Smile, ngiti. Why, bakit? Hair, buhok. Bank, bangko. Road or kalsada. Smell, amoy. Bed, kama. Egg, itlog. Milk or gatas. Heart, puso. Blood or dugo. You, ikaw. I, ako. Yes, oo. No, hindi. Want, gusto. True, totoo. Hand, kamay. Need, kailangan. News, balita. Book o libro. This or ito. Pencil or lapis. Dead o patay. Song, kanta. Class, klase. Song, kanta. Sound, tunog. Soft, malambot. Nose, ilong. House, bahay. Near, malapit. Chair, silya. Good, mabait. You're so good. Ang bait mo. Tired, pagod. I'm so tired. Pagod ako. Job, trabaho. Soil, lupa. Store, tindahan. Sana mayroon kayong natutunan sa araw na ito. This is Teacher Maria of the Kiss Academy.
Believing in Jesus' return takes faith. God offers us the gift of faith that, in return, empowers us to be faithful to Him. Matthew 25:13 says, "Stay awake and be prepared, because you do not know the day or hour of my return." My friends, let us be prepared.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below what will be our next topic.